Imagine ChatGPT, but it lives entirely on your laptop. No monthly fee, no account, no company watching what you type. Now, imagine it's sometimes faster than the AI websites you already use. Most people don't even realize this is possible, but it is, and it's called LM Studio. And depending on how you work, this could either change how you use AI forever or completely melt your laptop. In this video, I'm going to show you what LM Studio actually is in plain English, who should absolutely be using it, who should not touch it, and the trade-offs nobody mentions before you install it. But at the end, you'll know if LM Studio should replace some of your ChatGPT use or if cloud AI still makes more sense for you. First, let's start off. What is LM? The simplest way to think about it is LM Studio is a control center that lets you run AI models directly on your computer. Instead of typing a question into a website and sending it to a massive server farm somewhere else, LM Studio downloads the AI model onto your machine and runs it locally. So when you open it, you pick a model, you type a question, and you get a response. It feels sort of just like ChatGPT. But under the hood, everything that you know about ChatGPT and how AI models run is different. The model file lives right on your hard drive. The thinking happens on your CPU or GPU, not on some servers far away. And your prompts never have to leave your device. Literally turn off Wi-Fi and your AI on your computer still works. This is what it means when we say run locally. That means there is no company on the other end, no hidden training on your chats, no mystery logs, nobody reviewing conversations to improve the service. LM Studio turns your computer into your own private AI server. Lovely! And once you realize that, it kind of ruins cloud AI forever. I mean, who wants to pay tens to hundreds of dollars a year when you can just run it yourself? So why are tech people suddenly obsessed with this? There's three big reasons. The first one, it comes down to the cost. Most models you run in LM Studio are completely free. No subscriptions, no usage caps, no you've hit your message limit, please upgrade for $200 a month. You pay once in storage space and electricity, and that's it. And if you're using AI daily for studying, coding, business, or content creation, that adds up very fast. For a lot of people, cost alone is the breaking point of why they use LM Studio. Another breaking point is probably privacy. A lot of people in today's age do not like being watched by the government or different companies. So if you work with contracts, medical notes, unreleased content, client work, or internal business documents, sending all of that to a cloud AI can feel uncomfortable. It can feel revealing. Yes, companies promise we don't train on your data until they quietly change their terms 6 months later in the fine print. I won't name names. With LM Studio, your data stays on your machine, period. That's why lawyers, therapists, journals, government workers, security research, and privacy-focused creators are flocking to local AI. You're no longer sharing thoughts with a corporation, you're processing them yourself. So that goes into the third main reason why a lot of people are switching to LM Studio and running AI locally. Control. This is probably the most fun part. LM Studio lets you swap out AI models like your underwear. Like apps on your phone. Do you want one that's amazing at coding, another one that's better at storytelling, or one reason that's slower but much more carefully? You can switch those all in just the click of a mouse. You're not locked onto one company, one algorithm, one price, or one style of thinking. If you've ever thought, I wish I could just have my own AI and experiment with it, this is literally that. Would you trust an AI more if it ran locally, or does that not matter to you, knowing what locally means? Comment local or cloud. I'm curious to know what end of the spectrum you guys are still on.